Hello everyone, bringing you another original knot everyone. This is the Boss Wreath. Let's get started. This is my left side, it's at the belt line. We will come in and we will put in a dimple. Oh, actually I just put a fold in. And we're gonna come around like this. Come down like that. We're gonna come up like this. So here we have, this is what we got. This is our base. We'll start with this. Let me cinch that up. Gonna do a wreath like this here and then come back around. So we have that. Then we're gonna do another wreath. Come up like this. So we have this. I'm gonna fold this in half. It should naturally fold in half. We're just gonna fold it in half like this. Come underneath this top part right here. And then come back over, still fold it in half like this. And there you have that. So again, there's your Boss Wreath. On your own side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. Catch you in the next video.